2025 is shaping up to be a year of transformation. For decades, robots were ideas confined to science fiction and research labs. Now they're on the brink of moving out of factories and labs and into our everyday lives. As we look toward the immediate future, we're seeing how far technology has brought us, pushing humanoid robots closer to practical, widespread use in homes, workplaces, and public spaces. So, what does that mean for us in practical terms? What will it look like to interact with these machines in daily life? The predictions for 2025 suggest we may find robots working alongside us at all levels of society, taking on a variety of roles, from personal assistants and helpers in our homes to invaluable colleagues in our workplaces and guides in public spaces. As robots become more advanced, some countries, particularly China, are setting ambitious goals for widespread robot production, pushing the boundary of what's possible with humanoid robotics. Let's take a closer look at the top humanoid robots expected to make waves by 2025, what life might be like with them, and how they'll integrate into various aspects of society. Let's take a look at some of the most anticipated robots and their potential impact. Figure AI and the Figure 03, a humanoid with precision and dexterity. Founded with support from OpenAI, Figure AI has quickly made waves in the robotics industry with their development of humanoid robots. Known for their advanced AI algorithms and powerful robotics engineering, Figure AI is currently developing the Figure 03, set for a 2025 release. Figure 3 is expected to be a production-level robot, meaning it's designed for high-rate manufacturing and capable of large-scale deployment. The Figure 03 will bring advanced dexterity and lifelike capabilities, enabling it to work in environments that require precision and careful interaction with humans. Imagine Figure 03 working in hospitals, assisting nurses with routine tasks, or aiding in surgeries. This robot will also be highly functional in manufacturing spaces, such as warehouses, where it could handle packing, organizing, and even shipping, freeing human workers to focus on tasks requiring creativity or judgment. China's approach to robotics is built on speed and scalability. Rather than focusing solely on cutting-edge capabilities, they are perfecting the basics, creating robots that can perform essential tasks reliably and affordably. The government's backing has ensured that companies like UB Tech and CloudMinds have the resources to scale production, potentially introducing thousands of robots to the workforce by 2025. SoftBank's Pepper 2.0. The social interaction specialist, SoftBank Robotics, has announced updates for their beloved robot Pepper, with the new Pepper 2.0 focusing on deeper social interactions. Known for its friendly design and social capabilities, Pepper 2.0 will have enhanced speech recognition, emotional intelligence, and even more fluid body language, enabling it to engage meaningfully with people of all ages. In 2025, Pepper 2.0 is expected to be a fixture in places like schools, libraries, and community centers. The robot will assist with education, offer emotional support, and engage in social activities, especially in settings where human resources are limited. Its child-friendly design and engaging personality will help bridge the gap between technology and human connection, fostering a new level of comfort with robotic companionship. Tesla's Optimus, a vision of the future. One of the most high-profile robots currently in development is Tesla's Optimus. Elon Musk has shared ambitious plans for Optimus to revolutionize labor, starting with industrial tasks and eventually entering domestic roles. Optimus will come equipped with advanced AI, enabling it to assist in heavy lifting, repetitive manufacturing tasks, and complex assembly processes. Tesla's significant experience with large-scale manufacturing gives them a unique advantage, allowing them to envision mass production of these robots at unprecedented levels. By 2025, Tesla's factories could be operating with the support of hundreds, if not thousands, of Optimus robots, tackling labor-intensive jobs that require efficiency and precision. Musk's vision doesn't end at factories, however. Tesla plans to make Optimus available for home use as well, where it could revolutionize household chores, providing assistance with cleaning, cooking, organizing, and even some basic childcare tasks. At home, robots as household helpers. Imagine waking up to find your humanoid assistant has already prepared your morning coffee, organized your schedule, and is ready to help with household tasks. Robots like Tesla's Optimus or China's Walker X could handle household chores such as cleaning, laundry, meal prep, and even basic gardening, freeing up time for people to focus on work, family, or leisure activities. For those with specific needs, such as elderly individuals or people with disabilities, these robots could offer much-needed assistance. They could help with mobility, ensure that medications are taken on time, and offer companionship through conversation and interaction, enhancing quality of life and supporting independent living. In the workplace, from factories to offices. The workplace is one of the areas where robots are expected to make the most significant impact. In manufacturing settings, robots like Figure 03 and GR2 will likely be responsible for heavy lifting, packing, and precision tasks, improving productivity while minimizing the risk of human injury. But robots won't be limited to manufacturing and logistics. In offices, humanoid robots may serve as assistants, managing schedules, handling customer service, and even aiding in data analysis. Imagine a receptionist robot that not only greets visitors, but also uses facial recognition to personalize interactions, or a financial analyst robot that can process and interpret data around the clock. Education and cultural spaces. Robots as interactive teachers and performers. Educational environments stand to benefit greatly from humanoid robots, with robots like Alter 3 acting as interactive teachers or classroom assistants. These robots could provide one-on-one tutoring, especially in subjects like math, science, and foreign languages, where interactive, AI-driven instruction could adapt to each student's learning pace. In museums and theaters, robots like Alter 3 can enhance visitor experiences, offering guided tours, interpreting exhibits, or even performing. Their ability to interact with and entertain audiences adds a dynamic layer to education and art, opening new doors for engaging with history, culture, and creativity. Healthcare. Robots as assistants and companions. In the healthcare sector, humanoid robots could be game changers. By 2025, we may see robots assisting with patient care, especially for routine tasks that don't require a human touch, such as transporting supplies, sterilizing equipment, or monitoring patient vital signs. More advanced models might even assist in surgeries by providing tools or maintaining sterile environments, supporting medical staff in high-stakes environments. For long-term care, such as nursing homes or in-home caregiving, robots could serve as companions for the elderly. These robots could remind patients to take their medications, encourage physical activity, and provide emotional support, helping to address issues like loneliness and isolation among seniors. Societal and economic impacts of humanoid robots in 2025. The widespread adoption of humanoid robots is expected to have significant economic and social implications, both positive and challenging. Here are some of the ways humanoid robots could shape society by 2025. Job transformation and economic shift. As robots take on more roles, there will likely be a shift in the job market. While some fear that robots will replace human jobs, many experts argue that they will create new opportunities. Jobs in robotics engineering, AI development, maintenance, and robot-assisted services will grow, requiring a workforce skilled in technology and problem-solving. However, industries that rely on manual labor may face disruptions, making workforce retraining and education essential to help workers adapt to the evolving job landscape. Economically, robots could boost productivity and efficiency, especially in sectors like manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics, which could lead to overall economic growth. Social dynamics and public perception. Humanoid robots have the potential to change social dynamics, particularly in how we interact and form relationships. In some cultures, there may be resistance to robots due to concerns about privacy, autonomy, and ethics. Countries like Japan and South Korea, however, where technology is closely integrated into daily life, may see more seamless adoption of humanoid robots. Furthermore, robots as companions or co-workers may change how we define social interaction, especially for individuals who rely on robots for companionship, assistance, or routine tasks. As these machines become part of daily life, public perceptions may shift, potentially leading to new norms around human-robot interaction. Ethical and legal considerations. As robots become more autonomous and integrated into society, ethical and legal considerations will become critical. Questions surrounding data privacy, accountability, and the rights of robots as semi-autonomous entities will need to be addressed. For instance, if a robot causes harm or damages property, who is liable? The manufacturer, the operator, or the robot itself? Additionally, with robots capable of learning and adapting, ethical guidelines will need to ensure that they are programmed in ways that align with societal values. This could lead to regulations around AI safety, transparency, and accountability, creating frameworks that ensure robots are used responsibly. Looking ahead, the future of humanoid robots. Beyond 2025. While 2025 promises significant advancements, the journey of humanoid robots is only beginning. As technology progresses, we may see even more sophisticated robots capable of emotional intelligence, creative problem-solving, and complex interaction. Countries worldwide, led by the technological giants of China, the United States, and Japan, will continue investing in robotics research, pushing the boundaries of what these machines can do. The future may bring robots that work alongside humans in every aspect of life, from personal assistants in our homes to emergency responders in disaster zones. As these robots evolve, they will shape a new era of human-machine collaboration, where the line between human and machine becomes ever finer. By 2025, humanoid robots are set to become more than just novel inventions. They will be essential parts of our lives, reshaping how we live, work, and interact with the world. From assisting with household chores to working alongside us in factories, humanoid robots will bring a new level of efficiency, safety, and convenience. However, as with any technological leap, it's essential to proceed thoughtfully, addressing ethical considerations and preparing society for these changes. The rise of humanoid robots holds incredible promise, and 2025 may very well mark the dawn of a new era, one where humans and robots work together to create a more connected, innovative, and productive world.